Interpreting the 3:30 to 5:58 a.m. of Tuesday, the 22nd of September, 2015, dream of 8 spheres in a sled, in a golden pyramid, and electric storm after 6 words. Vana, pronounced in the feminine way as Vane, are many sounds of God as my personal word. Using the symbolism of the Great Pyramid to interpret the shape of the pyramid here, I'd say it might have something to do with May and August, or the symbolism of what people consider to be Taurus and Leo. In the age of Aquarius, they are Aries and Cancer. The 9 sides might have to do with some Ennead. The gold in measurable darkness is lux et nox, or light and darkness. From that point of the night onwards, it only got lighter in the northern hemisphere. The star completed 33 to equal my current age in solar years. The 6 points is as the macrocosm. My piling of the spheres is as working through these in the microcosm, which has led a macrocosmic life of 33 years. The sounds and sights of the Eckankar worlds, projections on the structures of consciousness, like their 973 Eckmaster ruler and rulers of the planes, egregores. The storm is the sort of psychedelics that are pleasant when you are open to their sights, sounds, sensations, emotions, etc. The same might be harmful when forgot. The spheres and sled not only represents the planets by their colors, but the 9 quinary segments after the start of the dark quarter, or what used to be called the first half of winter. At the time, the second half of Samhain was yet to come. Wonder what that turtle subject.